absolutely adequate.
After working here for months and months, I knew I'd finally do something to catch your eye.
In a couple of days, a style scout from Canterlot City Fashion Week is visiting our shop. I need a window display with something fresh. I would like you to design and execute it.
Really? Thank you, Ms. Hemline. You will not regret this.
Oh, and Rarity, don't mess up.
Thank you for the opportunity! I thrive under pressure. One does not become a diamond without pressure. It's too much pressure! What in heavens will I do? I have tried everything. Fringe, appliques, cheese. The muse has left me.
I'm sure you'll have an idea soon. You can't force artistic inspiration.
Another piece by the secretive street artist Flanksy. I wonder what it's like not to want credit and praise for one's genius creations.
Yeah, me too.
This mural is everything I want to say, but through paint instead of fabric.
It looks like you found your muse again.
Yes, it's a postmodern installation piece celebrating the creative process. And, who am I kidding? It's atrocious! This window's not avant-garde, it's avant-marde.
Maybe there's a way we can save it.
It's supposed to be finished by tomorrow. I'm going home! Au revoir, Korea!
I don't know how you did it, Rarity, but congratulations!